Walay diet for today. Kaya ng soup, chicken soup. Chicken soup. Chicken soup. Chicken. 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 A lot of vitamin C. With carrots and yellow bell pepper. Then this one. Last na lunod. Last na lunod. Cauliflower. Beans. Oh, string onion. O, diba? Almost cooked. My easiest cooking. My easiest cooking. Chicken soup. Dapat na maluto, guys. Basta, kaya na siya, guys. Diba? Wow, 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 wow. Bon appetite, bon appetite. Simplest cooking. Cooking with love. Wow! Cooking with love. Try this, sister. Try this chicken soup.
Wow! Oh.
Yeah, give me ball. Give me ball. Give me, please. Guys, chicken. Wala na ako nagibutangan ng oil, ha. Ako ara nagipakupsan ang kuan. Ito tawag na. Ang manok para lamig siya. Naturally. O, diba? Haon na ako, guys. Ako asang pa i-dried sa nako sa tissue para ang oil mo absorb sa tissue at least 5 minutes, diba? So please kuan preparation